Hey guys, Mr. Ray here. What's up? I'm hanging out here at Sal's surf shop trying to decide if I want to buy a new surfboard or not. And thought you guys might be able to give me a little input on whether or not the purchase that I'm thinking about buying is going to be a good one. What's up? There's an 80-inch surfboard here for sale. It's on sale for $199, an 80-inch surfboard. Yeah, that's awesome. So I was talking to the guy here at Sal's Surf Shop about buying a surfboard, and he said, you know, man, it's a good surfboard for you as long as it's 14 inches taller than you are. That's interesting. Well, I started thinking 14 inches taller than I am. Well, heck, I don't really even know what that is, man. All I do is surf all day. I have no idea. And so I thought you guys might be able to help me out a little bit. He said, what you need to do is you need to set up an equation. I said, what? An equation? That sounds insane, man. He said, no, it's not that big a deal. Just take H, which stands for your height, add 14 to it, and it should equal 80. If you're going to be able to buy this surfboard that's on sale. I said, oh, okay, that makes sense. Tell me again. He said, yeah, just think about your height. Add 14, and as long as it's, close to 80 or less than 80, you're good to go. He doesn't want to be any above that. I said, oh, well, how in the world does that work? He said, well, you think about it. All you have to do is use an inverse operation. I said, what the heck's an inverse operation? He said, dude, inverse operations are no big deal. It's just like the opposite operation. I said, what? He said, yeah, like adding and subtracting. Those are inverse operations, dude. I said, oh, I totally get it. So the inverse operation of addition would be subtraction. So all I need to do is subtract this 14 from this 80, and it'll tell you how tall a person needs to be to ride this surfboard. Oh, totally get it, man. Well, let's do a little bit of math then. Let's take 14 from 80. Let's take 14 from 14 also, just so that you see the habit here. And we'll get that is 66 inches. So your height needs to be 66 inches, dude. And I said, well, how tall am I? I'm 6 feet tall. There's 12 inches in a foot. 12 times 6 is 72. Man, that's a bummer. You've got to be 66 inches tall. I'm 72 inches tall. This surfboard is not tall enough for me. What?